All right, so I've got this Mother's New Lens Headlight Renewal Kit. About 20 bucks. Got this one from Walmart. And I've got this headlight that I just got out of the junkyard. Old headlight was busted, so had to replace it. So this is what you run into unless you buy a aftermarket one or spend the money on the new one. So we're gonna try and restore this. First thing it wants us to do is put this tool here into your chuck. Done that. Then we're going to put one of the 800 grit sanding discs onto this tool. That's what it looks like. Now it wants us to spray a decent amount of water onto the headlight as you're doing this. Probably gonna have to do that more than once. So I'm kind of just doing this in easy motions, just like this, back and forth. So I've done that twice now. I'm gonna do it one more time with the 800 grit sandpaper. Then we'll move to the 1500, do the same thing, run over it after putting water on it, wipe it off with a rag, put more water on it, do it again, wipe it off. Do it 2 or 3 times and you'll be good. Just did the 1500 twice. I've only gotten about 2 uses out of this one, got 3 out of that pad. We'll go ahead and say that this one is done for. So just have to put the 3000 grit on and basically doing the same thing. Wish I had my DeWalt with me, but this is good enough for this job. Black and Pecker. Let's finish her up. Second time with this disc. So now to switch off to this, it says to apply about a nickel's worth of this plastic polish. That's a little bit more than a nickel, but it's all right. Now the big thing with this, I don't think I'm gonna have to worry about it with this drill, but you don't want to start it fast because it's just gonna sling this stuff all over the place. So what I'm gonna do here is just kind of start it in this area. Kind of go like this and then speed up as I need to. Just like that, kind of take my time. I'm gonna apply some more to it. So I would say that overall that worked out pretty good. Apparently this stuff works as a UV protectant as well. I don't know how much I believe that, but I do have some stuff at the other house that I can use to protect this a little bit. But this just by itself, it claims to protect it from UV, so we'll see how it does. Overall, it came out pretty good. I'm mostly happy with this result. So for 20 bucks, I'd say it's worth it.